Hi everybody, this is Joe from PrepAgent, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to get your California real estate license. As a reference point, I'm going to use the website PrepAgent to go over what is needed. You guys can find that in the show notes below. Just go to PrepAgent.com, and when you go to the top, it says Get My License, and you can hit the drop down, and it has California, and there it is. So just go to PrepAgent, go to the top where it says Get My License, click on California, and it has the requirements. And when you go there, one of the first things you'll notice is that you need to complete 3 courses. 3 pre-licensing courses in order to be eligible for the state exam administered by the state of California. Those 3 courses that ACEable offers that will make you eligible is California Real Estate Principles, California Real Estate Practice, California Legal Aspects of Real Estate. Those courses are 45 hours long, and it is completed upon passing their final exam, which is an open book test. Nothing to stress about. You just got to do it. It's just one of those necessary things. Go through the process. After you complete those required courses, you're going to submit fingerprints to the state, do a background check, and they're going to make sure you're on the up and up, a good person, haven't done anything drastically wrong. Assuming all goes well there, you'll be eligible for the state exam. California administers the California real estate exam, of which you need 70% to pass. This is where a lot of people tend to stress, but don't worry, we can help you. We have a lot of webinars, practice exams, and other study tools to help you get past the exam on PrepAgent.com. So go there and you'll find a lot of material to help you guys pass that exam. Our goal is to explain things in an extremely clear, concise manner. Keep it concise and keep it simple is what I always say. After you pass your real estate exam, your fingerprints are done, you've done a background check, you've finished those courses. Now it's time to sign up under a broker. So you're going to find a broker you want to work with because your license won't be active without that broker unless, of course, you're getting the real estate broker's license yourself. Once you get that, you are good to go to sell real estate in the state of California, all the way from San Diego north up to Humboldt County or wherever you want to go, Fresno, Los Angeles, whatever floats your boat. So, just to review, to get your California real estate license, you have to complete 3 courses that are 45 hours long. They do not need to be done in person. Okay, just want to make that clear. Upon passing those courses, you're going to have to get fingerprints done and do a background check. When that is done, you'll be eligible for the state exam that's administered by the state of California. You will need a 70% passing grade. Upon passing, you'll have your real estate license, and in order to activate that real estate license, you must hang it under a real estate broker. I hope that helps. This is Joe from PrepAgent, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.